Yeah, baby. No long me not travel private. I bad miss. Our world in a man.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say, attack. Some people, every single day, Vybz Kartel just a trend, so. Yo, the man take over dancehall himself without even release a song since him release, my people. You know, say dancehall of a Cartel, you know. But people, who are the main topic? You go on TikTok. You go on Instagram, you go on YouTube, you go on Facebook, you go on any social media platform you can think of right now. Vybz Kartel are the most trending artist, entertainer from Jamaica, my people. Right now in America, in the world, no joke about it. Who a trend like Vybz Kartel, my people? We know, say yes, he was released from prison recently. You understand, so for sure people are going to talk about him. But for telling them, my people, the man does do him thing and keep us entertained. You see me? The man does yo, are the world boss. Vybz Kartel, my daddy, big up yourself. My brother, big up yourself. My general, my family, big up yourself, Cartel. Same thing for Sean Stamina, Kyra Jones, and Jay St. John. The whole works of them big up themselves. And I'm not joking when I talk. Some people, on today, Friday, August the 16th, you understand? I stay a boom, and I go over the topics. So the topics, big up the wall, the topics family, you know, because them always have the topic. You don't know. Legit, the topics. And I see them stay a boom and shoot out some video and them say, look here, Vybz Kartel spotted board in a private jet. No joke about it, my people. And these are the clippings me I go showcase with you know right now. We say Vybz Kartel, the man himself, my people. You understand the general. Him and him crew, you understand, you don't know some Fiance side them turk, my people. They're right beside him. And I take them private jet to fly out. So check it out, my people.
Yeah, baby. No long me not travel private. I bad miss. Our world in a man. Let's say badness there now. No? Oh. That's my baby right there. You heard? John Gaza Nation. After 12 years. Back above the clouds, you know? Sky life. My life badness. You know? Oh.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, You don't need glass to show you who is that. You understand? That's definitely Vybz Kartel. That's not the Vybz Kartel from Sheen, you know. That's the real one, because you don't know to see them there right there. And you see him bridging and him crew them, my people. You know what I mean? So basically the information say, yo, the man I got deal with them health. Health come first. That are the main step and the main part of the progressive Vybz Kartel. You understand, my people? That are one of the main thing what me want to see for Kartel. Like the first thing what me want to see him health. And basically them say that the man I go deal with. Then I like say man I go fly out for go do no show or go do this or go do that. The man I go deal with them health. So teacher, me wish you all the best, my brother, and hope everything go good, everything go great, everything can go back to normal, to square one. You don't know, you talk out your mouth in the general, so yo, there's a cure, it's curable. So me just want you go get it done, my brother. You did done make it talk the country them where you go. You understand? And me no know which country teacher gone right now, you know. But me just want to know say one country where I'm going good, him great, him safe, and them have some good doctor over there who are going to deal with them thing and get him thing right back on track on a level. Mr. A lot of people are saying NEWLINK, you know, yes, Cartel get $4 million US for him sure that my boy they give him Joe Bagnovich. People, me tell you the truth. A footer chat your time out. And everybody know a footer chat too much. You understand? Footer chat one bag of things sometime when I go so. Me can't tell you for 4 million or 10 million, but me I tell you, me know personally say, and then a small money Vybz Kartel get for that. And a 1 million and a 2 and a 3. So when him say 4, he can work with. You understand? And it can be more. No joke about it, because for Vybz Kartel himself, my people, keep this show ya himself. Him can make over $1 billion Jamaican in profit. And if a 4 million US, that are over 600 million Jamaican dollar. Do the maths. You understand? So, me know personally, my people say, if him a go give a man a show, sell it to a man, and him a go dust, you know what I mean? And a small change of people. No joke about it. But let's see, December the 31st, my people. So Vybz Kartel take a private jet, fly up, my people, for get him held back on track and ready up. You know what I mean? So man have enough time for December the 31st. And who want vex, want vex, want vex? Leng, you want vex? Yo, you're really a tiny Leng. You're sure what? The 26, the 27, 28. You understand? Even if Vybz Kartel they don't want to keep theme thing on the 26, it shouldn't be a trouble or a problem to you. The what? Before, when Sting a keep at Jamaica, you have Sting and you used to have Teen Splash a keep on the same day, December the 26th in the past. So it wasn't a problem. So why now is a problem for you, Leng? Eh? Why is that problem? Me understand that Teen Splash used to finish a little earlier. Do you understand? But that still nothing do nothing to affect you. I demand free will. You get me? Me sorry stay keep up on the 26, the 27, and 28. 3 nights at one festival just for Fiance where you go do. Hurt you if you want vex or vex. You understand? Teacher, big up yourself, my brother. And hope your health come back on track. You don't know the thing. My people, remember to do like the video, please. Press like. Like is important. And share and leave your comment, my people. And remember, follow me on Instagram. Right on Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. One team, one dream, one scheme. Remember to subscribe. Peace out. And we're up on TikTok, you know, my people. NEWLINK Production Official.